In the previous lecture, we built the footer. In this lecture, we're gonna style it. So in this lecture is gonna be very simple. We're gonna add a dark background color and top border. Then we're gonna separate the text from each other. This one from this one by adding the CSS float property. So in your CSS file, we're gonna start with the footer, and I'm gonna add a padding of 20 pixels. Then a background color. The background color is gonna be, let me see, um, hmm, yeah, it's gonna be 263,238, 238. That should be it. Okay, now a color for the text. It's gonna be B5, 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 and then the border top. The border top is gonna be 1 pixel, but let me just copy it from here. 1 pixel. Let me copy everything. No, just gonna delete this here. Okay, that's the border top, and that's it for the footer. Let's save it, and there you go. You have the background color and the blue top border. Next, let's see. Okay, next we have the left and right. So we're gonna float them to so they can be together. So I'm gonna say footer, then left. Okay. Then after the left, I'm gonna um, put a comma and then footer right. This one is gonna be float left. And then a width 50 pixels. No, percent. Then the font size is gonna be 12 pixels. Okay, save it, refresh. Okay, now they're together. The last thing we're gonna do is um, we need to align the text of this one to the right. So let's target the right class, and let's use the text align property and set this to right. That's it. Save it and refresh. Okay, and there you have it. We have we finished building the whole lender page, which is just a landing page. You can see we created the header here, and we added some content, then the after content with the HTML form, and the footer. Okay, guys, so that's it for the basics of HTML and CSS. I hope you guys enjoyed, and in the next course, I'm gonna show you how to create responsible websites that they will basically be optimized for mobile devices. So I'll see you in the next course.